Hey guys, Mike Sumsky here, and I wanted to give you a real estate investment tip. And this revolves around making a clickable video ad for Craigslist. So if you're advertising a property for sale, tons and tons of people are putting their properties for sale on Craigslist, and you kind of have some ways to stand out from the crowd. And one of the ways that I do is to incorporate a clickable video ad in Craigslist. So here's what it looks like. So we have this house that I am selling on a lease purchase, and what we've got here is a YouTube video right in the ad. And so when somebody opens this up, it's not their normal Craigslist ad, and people love video. So by using video, I'm able to compel the person looking at the ad to actually click on this video link. Now, it doesn't play in Craigslist, but what it does is it takes them right over to my website. And now now that they're at my website, I've got all the information about the property. They can go and they can actually go and watch the video. All right, so I got my kind of cool intro there. And they can also sign up to be added to our early notification list to build our buyers list. And so there's a lot of good reasons why I want to have a compelling ad like that. So anyway, I want to show you exactly how to do it. Okay, we're going to get started now. So for this tutorial, I'm going to assume that you've already uploaded a video tour of the house that you're looking to advertise to YouTube or some other video sharing site. And so as you can see right here, we have this video in YouTube. And I've actually also gone and created my website for this particular house. And the reason I wanted to set the website up here is because for this Craigslist ad, I want people to see the video on my website. Now, there's a reason that I wanted to see it on my website versus just seeing it on YouTube. And now, if you don't have your own real estate website, that's okay. You can send people to your YouTube page. But if they go to my real estate website, well, now they're kind of in my territory. So I can also get them to opt into a buyer's list. So you see on the right side over here, if they, for whatever reason, don't like this house, they can opt into this buyer's list. They can go over on the left side here and they can see all the information about our lease to own program, see the properties we have available. So I'm going to keep this one open because this is ultimately where I want people to go to. But you can start out by having your video on YouTube here. And what we want to do actually is take an image, take a screenshot of this video. So when we actually embed the video image into Craigslist, it's not really a video we're embedding, we're actually just embedding the image of the video. So I work off of a Mac, and there's a Shift Command 4. If we press it at the same time, it gives this crosshair that allows us to take a screenshot snippet, and we just drag right across this video. And when I let go, there it goes. It takes a picture of that. Now, if you're on a PC, I think it's called the snipping tool, and you can look at it. Should be something as part of Windows where you can actually take a screenshot. And what happens is it actually takes this and it puts it right on the desktop. So if I just click and open this here, and there we go. So actually what this does is it makes it an image. Now, once we have an image, what I want to do is open up. What I use is the Picasa web album, and I want to upload this image. And you can also do this to Flickr or any other photo sharing site. As you can see, I've done a lot of these video images uploaded to Picasa. But what we're going to do is we're going to say add photos, and then select photos from my computer. And then we'll take that screenshot and we're going to upload this image to Google. All right, so now we've got it up here. Here's our image. And the cool thing about this is now we can actually link to this photo. So when we make our Craigslist ad, we're actually going to embed the image. We're going to embed this right into the Craigslist ad. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Craigslist now and we're going to create our ad. So we've already got this started, This is going to be this is a lease to own home. I like to put lease to own, rent to own homes in the housing for rent section of Craigslist, because that's typically where people that can't qualify for loans, they're usually not looking for houses to buy, looking houses to rent. But what we can do is we can compel them to be interested potentially in a lease purchase. And one of the things that I like to use when I do a headline is I want to have a compelling headline that's very easy to see. And so I actually like to use this this diamond, 3 diamonds here. So I paste in these 3 diamonds, and there are some key shortcuts you can use to get those. It's different on a Mac versus PC, but I'll just say you can look that up into Google if you want. And what we'll just say is rent to own, no bank qualifying. And sometimes I like to put video tour inside. So sometimes people like that video thing. So all right, so now let's create our ad. With the ad, I actually don't like to get too detailed. I like to have a little bit of information, and then I want the main part to be that video, so I encourage them to click on that video to go to my website. So let's get some text down here. Okay, so I just have a pretty short thing of text here. It talks about the property, rent to own. And the only difference here is you'll see I've made a couple little tweaks to the code. I have this these brackets in the letter B, and then another bracket with a slash and a B. So anything in here is going to be bold. So the part that says watch the video tour below will be in bold. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to now embed that video image from Google. So this is how we do it. We go back to Google, and we want to say link to this photo. And we're going to select this box that says hide album link, and then selecting the size, we want this to be the original size. Now when we go in, we're going to be able to just hit Control or Command C. Now I'm copying that embed image code, and then we're going back into Craigslist, and I'm going to paste it. So Control or Command V. And so what this code means, this ahref, this is basically just means it's a link. Okay, so it says if they click on it, go to this website, and then the image that they're displaying on Craigslist is this image, this Google user content. It's a whole bunch of gobbledygook, but that basically is the address of the image that I created. Now the only thing I'm going to change here is right here where it has this first website, this Picasa web, I'm going to change the code here to make this web address my website, because I don't want them to click on it and go to Google Picasa. I want them to go to my website. So we're going to highlight this entire website, and we're going to delete it between the quotes. Then we're going to go back and we're going to click and highlight the website I want them to go to. I copied that, and I go back into the Craigslist ad, and then I hit Control V and I paste it. So now when they click on it, it's going to go directly to my website. Now if you don't have a website, you can have it go directly to the YouTube, have it go right to the YouTube page. So you just copy the URL of the YouTube page. All right, so now that we've got that, and the last thing I'm going to do is I want to definitely add an image. So no matter if you don't add an image, sometimes people will only search for posts that have actual images in. So these are the ones, actually the 4 images you can choose to go at the bottom of the Craigslist ad. All right, so we've put an image in here, and then let's take a look at what this looks like. Let's say cats and dogs are okay. We'll hit continue. All right, so rent to own this gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on nearly 1 acre. But you see the big thing here is that we have this video image. So if somebody clicks on this image, it's actually going to take them directly to my website, and that is the goal. So that's good. The other thing that I actually want to do here is we're going to go back, and we're not quite done. Let's edit this again. And I think it's really important to put keywords in your ads. So when somebody is searching for a rent-to-own house, they might type rent-to-own, they might type lease option, they might type lease purchase or owner finance. Well, no matter what they type in for keywords, I want them to find this ad. So on the bottom here, I'm just going to say keywords, rent to own, lease, purchase, owner, finance, seller, financing. And then I'm going to put 3 of the nearest cities nearby. So for this case, it's going to be Belfair, Port Orchard, and let's just go Bremerton. All right, so this house is in Belfair, but if they are looking for a home in a nearby city like Port Orchard, I also want them to pull this ad up. So we're done here. Let's go back and hit continue. And then we are done with our ad. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to confirm that we want it posted. This CAPTCHA code, fill this out. And then we are done. So our ad is up. Now when people go and they visit or look at our ad, they're going to see something interesting and compelling. They're going to hopefully click through to our website. They're going to take a look at the video tour. If they like the house, they're going to go down here and they're going to apply for it. If for some reason they don't care for the house, now they're on my website and I can direct them to do a number of different things like sign up to be on our buyers list, to go check out other properties we have. And that is the key to getting a souped up clickable video ad in Craigslist. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope that I can offer some more stuff on internet marketing, social media. Anyway, till next time, we'll talk to you later. Bye.